Hey guys, so we're gonna try,
What's up guys? So today we're gonna be...
We've never made this banana bread, but it is, oh my gosh.
It's Lorraine's original recipe, which is my best friend's, one of my best friend's mother's banana bread recipes.
First, you take rotten bananas.
You have to have rotten bananas. Now, if your banana's rot and you don't...
Ripe bananas. Ripe bananas. Like, they can't be like this.
They have to be mushy, basically.
Oh no, I just dropped it.
Okay.
How good they are.
They gotta be really mushy so that they mix in.
So, how many bananas for this recipe? And then what's this? We mix a half a cup.
Clearly, we don't know the recipe. Now, the butter cannot be tough. You need it to be melted, so I would leave it out to be room temperature. 3 eggs. Now, we move on to 1.5 cups of sugar.
We got it.
Here we have the organic Trader Joe's cane sugar.
So 1.5, let's finish.
Why are you leading the way?
I'm not. You're explaining and talking, and I'm being the Wheel of Fortune girl showing it. So, Vanna White. Not Inanna White.
Can we turn your volume down about 3 notches?
I'm louder than you. Anyways, moving on. Make sure you try and do this. Maybe not with your boyfriend because it might run a little smoother.
Up next, we have 2 cups of Bob's Red Mill 141 gluten-free baking flour.
Gluten-free apparently makes the bread a lot better.
Next, we have a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon.
1/2 teaspoon.
All right, moving on. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
I love this one. It is Simple Organic, Simple Truth Organic Vanilla Extract.
Madagascar. The next step, you have 3 tablespoons of cold water and 3/4 cups of chopped walnuts.
3 tablespoons?
Yes,
Well, you guys know what water looks like.
but some people like to spice it up with some chocolate.
If you need a snack while you're waiting.
Okay guys, and last step is to start mixing everything together. What you do is you mix the butter, the eggs, and the bananas. You mash them first, and then you whisk them. You have something, right?
You said it perfectly,
Your
Tyler.
eye, can you close? Oh. That was a weird reaction.
Okay, how about we switch and you do this?
Okay.
No, you're just so much bigger that I'm completely... So now, the next step is we have to massage butter. So you put some in there and you just make sure... Well, you do this over the sink. So I'm going to go do this over the sink, but you make sure it's completely covered.
He's right here.
1 second. And now we're ready to pour the flour in and put it in the oven.
350 degrees and bake for 60 minutes.
So we got the eggs, now we're adding the butter. Smush it all in there. Great. Teaspoon. So this is an accurate teaspoon. Okay.
Put the flour in. Slowly, slowly. There we go. Mix.
Time to start drinking. Oh, cooking with you.
Time to start drinking, Mom says.
Should have just cooked.
Heading for the alcohol.
Yeah.
Your mom didn't have an electric mixer back in the day. You think she had this? No.
What is going on back
What's going on back here? Trying to film a baking video. Alright. Now that the master chef is behind the whisk.
is now behind the camera. Okay, now we have to add the shot of 3 tablespoons. Are you sure that's not tequila? So now we mix it up.
And in it goes. Look at the flow of that. I'm gonna take it and check it.
It almost touched. Oh, it's perfect. How's it tasting?
Well, I'm not dead.
Well,
That's
good.
positive.
We didn't kill anyone. Did you like it?
Yeah, it's really good.
Alright, I think it turned out great. Let us know what you think. Try it with your family and friends. And don't drop any on the ground and waste it. Bye.